Hey guys, I'm Anoshka. I'm a first year student at Scalar School of Technology. My morning has been super hectic. I've been running around trying to figure out what to pack because I have so many outfit changes. I'm performing for freshers and I'm also selected from the Miss Freshers competition. And we also have Garba tonight, so this is gonna be fun. Let's see what happens today. So we're going right now for rehearsals and we gotta be super quick because the event is gonna start soon. This is where everyone's rehearsing for their performances. It's kind of like a green room at this point. There are going to be many amazing performances happening today. Can't wait to see all of them. Now let's go and ask the seniors how their prep for this event has been. Would you like to tell us how your prep has been for the event?
No prep. Basically, we are verifying every one of them. Without this is the band that they are getting, and
they have given the full efforts and they have prepared it very well. I can see the performance and the stage setup is really good, man.
ये सारे talk SM करे knock बंदे खाते cough energy दे off हम करे boss job CEO है top notch 36 14 पाले लेकिन पाले नहीं कोई lost cause lost class नहीं चलता सीधा focus हो रही है toss lost पहले दिखता नहीं था खासा भाई पे पैसा
I just got done with my performance. We had been practicing for this for so long and it felt so good to finally set fire to the stage. The performances are still going on. They're super amazing. I did a quick outfit change for my Miss Freshers competition.
So let's give it up for Scalar School of Technology की सबसे धमाकेदार शाम
Freshers Night 2025.
छोड़ नाचो जो तो रोट मोटा मिर्चा खा के ऐसे नाचो हाँ जा छोड़े हाँ जा गोरे हाँ जा छोड़े नाचो 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 वीर नाचो 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 यार नाचो
I'm about to go on stage now for the Miss Freshers competition thing. I'm really nervous, but I'm excited at the same time. Hopefully I don't mess up. Performances just got over. There were 4 dance performances, 1 music performance, 1 fashion show, and the Mr. and Miss Freshers competition. I think it was all really amazing, really set the stage on fire. The vibes were amazing. But now let's ask my friends what they thought. Guys, what did y'all think about the whole event?
The event was crazy. The seniors gave us an opportunity to perform the dance with the boys, so we performed 4 dances and it was crazy.
Absolutely crazy that the seniors of SST have done all of this. They've planned, organized all of this shit.
Photos, they've made us so good and the pictures were so nice there.
It was amazing. Entire event, the dances, the performances, the jury, the host, everything was so out of reach. It was amazing. The entire event was amazing.
So these were my friends. They're going to be announcing the results of Mr. and Miss Fresher now. I'm really excited, bit nervous, but like no matter who wins, I think we all deserve it.
Mr. Spotlight goes to Harshil.
So next award is for Mr. and Miss Popular. Any guesses, guys? Yes, it's Ashwin. Miss Popular, any guesses? It's Anushka. Any guesses for Mr. Pressure? It is Kaushik.
few change of plans and the announcements happened over here. I won Miss Popular. I'm really happy. And now it's time for Garba. I've done my outfit change. The Garba vibes are already on. I'm gonna go and enjoy Garba now.
Tonight, the lights dim, the music quiets, but the memories we made will echo for years. In just a few hours, strangers became friends, and this place, it already feels like home. We came here, nervous, unsure, carrying 1,000 questions about the future. But somewhere between the laughter, the cheers, and the little moments we'll never forget, we found our people. This is where a new life begins. A life of building, dreaming, failing, trying again together. One day, when we look back, we won't remember the exact songs or the lights of this night. We'll remember the faces, the friendships, the feeling of standing at the start of something bigger than ourselves. Freshers 2025 isn't just a party. It's the first page of our story.
ज़्यादा लेट नहीं आ गए आप लोग? बहुत ज़्यादा जल्दी चलते हो. Okay. मुंह में glitter जाएगा. तुम लोग क्या जाएगा? तुम देखो. What are you looking forward to the most? Food. Okay, let's. Everyone's looking forward to the food.